dito sa ating Delta Cup. My name is Ram Palamure. Doing the call, we will cover 6 games. At umpisahan natin ito sa ating first game at hand, ating match at hand. It will be Arayat and LUBAO. Alam niyo po mga kaibigan, ang LUBAO ang isa sa mga team na talagang nagpatibok ng aking puso on that very close game. They just missed that last 3-point shot ko. Kung napanood niyo po yung LUBAO against Porac, natalo sila ng 2 puntos in a very close match. And of course, sa lahat po ng mga nag-comment at sa lahat po ang nagpabot ng pasasalamat sa inyong comment dito ay pagbubutihin ko po. Makakaasa po kayo na we will do better on our successful on our next coverages dito po sa Delta Pagkapa. Maya aga po mga kabalen, again dito po tayo live sa BREN GUIAO Convention Center in San Fernando, Pampanga. So these two teams, one is on the brink of win, but the other one, they want to extend the winning streak. And of course, mamaya i-explain namin sa inyo ang mga tournament formats and also the other players that are to watch for. At of course, ang isa sa mga player na hindi ko po makakalimutan sa Luba ay ito si Manalang. Did you know that nung lumamang ang Porac last time out, around 10 to 12 points in the last 2 weeks, Manalang successfully hit 3 3-point shots on that last 2-minute span. Pero medyo kinulang po ang LUBAO on that final seconds. But on the other hand, Arayat is the team that is bound to do victorious, lalong-lalo na sa kanilang mga fast break points in the second half. So, match at time right now, again, Arayat versus LUBAO dito po sa Delta Cup. We will surely give you another grandeur of Saturday basketball. So, stay tuned po mga kapatid. Well, of course, pinapabot ko rin po ang inyong lingkod ng pagpapasalamat of course sa ating mga sponsors, lalo na kay Governor Delta Pineda. Sa ibang liga po ay isa na lang at magna-national champion na naman muli sila. At kagaya sa mga sinalihan nila liga, Pampanga takes pride of bringing basketball not only to the national level, but now on this particular league, they're gonna bring deeper onto the grassroots level. Yung mga bayan na ito na nagre-represent ng Delta Cup talaga namang nakaka-excite at isang karangalan ng mga kabali na mapanood sila to showcase their talents dito sa ating live stream. Of course, we're live na live po tayo sa ating dalawang social media platforms, the Pampanga Information Office, and of course, we also brought you live by Sinag Liga Asia. And of course, nandito rin ang ating tournament commissioner si Coach Leo Isa, kararating lang. At kami pong dalawa ni Coach Leo ito tuwa sa Mapua Cardinals dahil nakasecure na sila ng kanilang final spot sa aming alma mater. Now, one point to remember dito po sa Team LUBAO. LUBAO is on a hot shooting streak as far as 3-point country is concerned. Kita rin naman si Manalang, he successfully hit those 3-pointers down the stretch. So we expect LUBAO na makabawi ng mas malaki sa larong ito. Now, for Arayat naman, ang keys to win nila ay kailangan nila malimit ng turnovers, especially in the second half. Minsan nagkakanya-kanya sila. So, they need to take care of the basketball, even the distribution of points sa kanilang mga guards and even to the big guys. So, coming up next, it's gonna be Arayat versus LUBAO. This is Delta Cup. Stay tuned. natin, tingnan natin ano kayo naging problema nito, ha? Line in. Tingnan natin ano yung problema. Sound check. Center San Fernando, Pampanga, and we're about to start our game between Arayat and LUBAO. Ang ating starting fives: Arayat, we have on the guards position Marcelo and Borja. For the center position, we have Canas. For the forward position, we have Bartolome and Manlalang. Sa LUBAO naman, of course, masasabi ko na star of the day, Manlalang, Zita sa guard position. And of course, the center position are si Lorico, Lingad, and De La Cruz are on the forward position. Again, we're live, watching live through the Facebook page of Pampanga Information Office, and likewise sa Sinag Liga As. And of course, this Inter-Municipalities-Cities Basketball League, also known as Delta Cup 2023, of course, sponsored by no less than our beloved Governor of Pampanga, Governor Delta Pineda. So yan po ang ating mga starters sa ating starting five for this morning. Game 1 of 6. Meron po tayong 6 na laro. At okay, nagantay pa tayo natin signal sa ating mga referee kung ano oras mag-umpisa. Ito na po. The buzzer have sounded, and in just a few minutes we'll be ready for our games for this morning. Hopefully nag-enjoy po kayo. At alam kong first time tayo magko-cover ng Sabado. Normally, linggo tayo nagko-cover. Pero ngayon, 2 araw po tayo dito sa San Fernando City, Pampanga. Again, nagpapabot kami ng pasalamat then sa team ng Pampanga Lanterns, the national team ng Pampanga. They headed to the national finals on the other league. And of course, we expect that these inspirational wins will rub off these youngsters. And of course, din ang Arayat at LUBAO. Ating mga referees, 2 referees na nakilala ko dyan. Ang crew chief natin ay si Anthony Roque, na I believe number 8 yata. Number 4 naman na referee natin ay isa pang FIBA referee na si Michael Galotera. Mamaya ma-check natin yung isa pang referee na who will do the jump ball. We're doing FIBA rules. We're playing 10-minute quarters, mga kabalen. And we expect that LUBAO wants to make bawi big time from the Sorios against Porac last time out. Alright, you're still watching the Delta Cup 2023. Yours truly, Ryan Paro, doing the call for the Saturday and Sunday broadcast, where we will cover a total of 12 games this weekend. Number 7 po, ayan na si referee Anthony Roque will do the job. Arayat versus LUBAO. First game of 6. Unang possession para sa nakasul. LUBAO wearing in blue and Arayat wearing in white. Swinging around on the left wing. De La Cruz. Baseline. WS. Unang field goal pumasok para sa LUBAO. Courtesy of number 24. That's Zita. Bartolome. Tumira kagad ng 3-point shot. Hindi pumasok yan. At ito na ang LUBAO. Siya nagdadala ng trangko. Ito na si Manalang. Alam niyo pagka tumitira si Manalang nakakakaba It will give you excitement and delight sa ating kaya mga kababayan dito sa LUBAO, Pampanga. By the way, yung LUBAO yung isang bayan on the west. At ang susunod na bayan yan ay yung Dinalupian Bataan. Alright, Pampanga naman, malapit yan sa Mount Arayat. So, wala pa pong score dito ang Arayat at this juncture. 8 minutes and 52 left in the first quarter. Shot clock, ready now at 7. Here's Manala, high time move. Woo! May pumasok ang tira. Ito, ang Arayat naghahanap pa sa kanilang unang field goal. On the Delta Caboto there wins. 3-point shot. Ay, hindi pala which isa loss. Tough loss. Lucero. Jumper. No, he will pass it to his teammate. Kinuyok siya sa ilalim at nakaago muli dito ang Arayat. Inside pass. The pump fake. Marcelo right down the base. Dilabas sa bola pa sa Arayat. Maging matindi ang depensa dito ng Lubao in the interior. Jump shot. Hoy! Marcelo nakakuha ng offensive rebound and one. At ang tinawagan ng foul ay si number 14, Lingad. That will be his first personal. Let's see that again in this replay. Kapos ang tira. Great presence of mind. Ayun. Nakakuha siya ng basket and one. And ayan, palit kagad ang Lubao sa kanyang tauhan. 3-point play opportunity. Yes. 3 points na po ang Arayat. 3-2. 2 minutes gone by sa ating first quarter. Step back J.O. Oy! Pumasok para kay De La Cruz. Great step back jumper. And that's the second field goal for Lubao this morning. 7:37 remaining. Bartolome, double team. Ikot sa kaliwa. That's a flip and a 3-point shot. Sabi nating referee. At pumasok yun para sa Arayat. That's Borja. 6-4. Medyo maganda ang ating scoring and both teams really, once they scored, you can see on the eyes and shoulders that they're oozing with confidence. Look at that move. Sampang dito sa kanyang one-hander. Touch it last is Lubao. Mula natili sa Arayat ng bola. And they have 14 seconds on the shot clock. Whoop! May kick ball. At re-reset yan sa 14 seconds. Ay, di pala na-reset. 11 on the shot clock. Bartolome tumira. Pumasok. 6-4. Manalang. On the right corner. Hindi pumasok yung 3-point shot para sa Lubao. 6:39 remaining the first. Ito na si Sampang. Borja. Sidestep. The right to shoot. Ito, atake. Sampang. Pinilit. Uy, balakas. De La Cruz. Oop. May foul muna sa ilalim sa kanyang atake. That foul will be against Bartolome. Let's see that again in an instant replay on that last attack. Ayun, kitang-kita yung foul. That's a blocking foul. Thank you very much. Of course, ang ating technical director ngayon, si Jetro. 18 to shoot for Lubao. They are down by 2. 6:10 remaining the first quarter. Ikot ang bola. Malalang now. Isang markman. 9 shot clock for Lubao. Best pick. Hindi makausap. Ito na, Malalang. 3. Malakas. 2 misses from downtown. Ito si Malalang. Inside. Nice play. Nakapasok doon ang Lubao. That's their third field goal. And we're tied at 6. Lorico scored that last field goal. Tied at 6. 5.5 minutes. Approaching the halfway house of first quarter. Malakas sa 3-point shot. Ito na. Tumatakbo ang Lubao. Tuloy-tuloy. Inside pass. One hand, wala. On the other hand, Arayat. Hindi sila makatakbo. Magandang depensa dito. Counter fast break. Ito na ng LUBAO. Uy! Drop pass. Merong whistle. Meron tayong foul sa ilalim. Mukhang matatawagan sa Arayat yung number 13 player. At both teams have 1 team foul apiece. And of course, you're still watching the Delta Cup Municipalities-Cities basketball tournament, sponsored by the Pampanga Information Office, no less than our governor, Deltis Delta Pitera. Take a look at this last bit of action in slow-mo. Yun, kitang-kita yung foul. Sumabit. Manalang makes the second. So, dalawa sila Manalang. Yung number 11, Manalang, at number 22. Yung number 22, yun po yung pumutok ng tres dun sa down the stretch against LUBAO. Against Porac, rather. Baseline. Oy, nakapasok. Ito si number 8, Guido, o Gia. 4:37 left in the first quarter. Tabla tayo sa 8. Hang time mo, may Manalang. Pinilit. Hindi pumasok. Fast break para sa Arayat. Safety there ay Lorico. Nabitawan ng bola sa baseline in front of us. (17 seconds on the shot clock now. Manalang inbounds. Now to Sampang. Sampang drops it off from the corner. And he is Kida. The other Manala, 3-point shot. Yes! Pumasok sa corner. That's the first 3-point shot by Arayat. At lamang sila ng tres. 11-8. You can see the score in the time on the lower right-hand side of your screens. Turnover by LUBAO, but that time he hits the... Oh! The players ang natumba. Lorico. Great timing. Establishes his feet inside the court. And this time, pinilit ni Malalang. That will be called for traveling. Wala dito si Balog. Si Balog ay na-assign sa kabilang liga with Direct Alvin Alejo. They're working on the other league. 11-8 is the count. 3 minutes and 33 first quarter. Hang time move. Didn't pay off pero meron tayong foul sa ilalim. Sinke mukhang matatawagan ng foul. Yes, Sinke. That will be his first personal. Ayun natin. Yung huling action sa slow-mo. Ayun, sabit. So, 11-8. Arayat on a 3-point edge. Now make it 4. 12-8. Medyo flat ang LUBAO sa kanilang first quarter. LUBAO is a very slow start team, but they are a very good second half team. Make no mistake about it. Night to shoot. Ito na, Manalang. He's looking for his first 3. Ayan na, si Manalang. After 3 failed attempts, Manalang finally sinks 1. This time from the left corner, from the left quarter court. 15-8. Sumagot kagad si Bora. This time on the right quarter court. 3-point shot. So sagutan kagad in the first quarter. Oh, look at this. Manala for 3. Both Manala have scored. Not only that. Also on the other hand, dun sa Arayat, nakascore din ng 3 si Manala. This clan is really a dead shot on the outside. Okay, takbo kayo ng LUBAO. Approaching the 2-minute mark. The drop pass almost taken away. Second 3 for Manalang. Oh, ayan na. He's hitting the targets. 6 points now for Manalang. Approaching 2 minutes. Almost exactly 2 minutes now in this first quarter. Ito, 3-point shot. Wow! 5 3-point shots for both teams, in this stretch. bigla nag-pick up ang scoring. 18-17. Arayat with a 1-point edge. Nice fake by Manala. Drops it off. The side step. Huli. Sapal. 4 to shoot. Pascual puts it up. Got it. 18-17. Sorry, it's not Pascual. It's Panga. Both teams have 2 team fouls apiece. Lubao 19, Arayat 18, corner 3, nothing. Here's the attack. The drop. Libas muna, 7 to shoot. Mintis. And this time Lubao making sure that rebound. Oy, nakagaw! Oh, lucky play there for the big guy, Gina. 2019 now, Arayat with a 1-point edge. Time down to 45 seconds in the first quarter. Up to shoot now for Lubao. Then the shot clock. Bounce pass. The drop. Nice execution. Right time mga 6-second differential or 3-second differential between the shot clock and the game clock. The score stands at 21-20. Lubao up by 1 point. Ubos oras ang Arayat. From the corner, team ball attacks the running shot. Won't bite. Gets it right back. Turns around. Block. 2 seconds to go. They need to throw it up from half court. Diyan nagtatapos sa ating first quarter. And the score is 21-20 after 10 minutes of playing time. Let's take a look at some first quarter highlights of this Delta Cup. Okay, mga tira ni Manalan, dalawang 3-point shot. And on the other end, ito, Boha hitting the 3 points earlier. Yan po, natapos sa ating first quarter. We'll be right back for the second quarter. This is Delta Cup. Okay, back to live action dito sa GUIAO Convention Center, San Fernando, Pampanga. Second quarter action between Arayat and Lubao. This is the Delta Cup. My name is Ryan Powell doing the call. There's a double team from the corner. Ito, attacking Arayat. Ang ganda ng mga drop passes nila sa loob. Oy, nakahanap na puwang. Nice glass hit. .9:35 second quarter. Whoops, di po pasok kanyang tira sa loob. Put back. Maaraw sa ilalim ang Lubao. Courtesy of Sinke. Pretty close first half. Only a 1-point game for Lubao. Always leveling lap as described in the jerseys. Pero mintis doon ang Arayat. Sabi nating referee, meron tayong foul. Matatawagan ay si Gina. That will be second personal. Alright, Lubao will inbound on the backcourt. Pick and roll play. Gipit sa loob. But his teammates stole the ball from that potential fast break. Nakaharap ng puwang. And medyo foul trouble na kagad si Gina. Tatlo na kagad ang foul si Gina. So he needs to be replaced immediately. Third personal foul on Gina. Both teams have 2 team fouls. O second team foul na rather ang Arayat. Samantala from that miss, babalik ang bola sa Arayat. Wala, malinis pa po ang Lubao sa fouls in the second quarter. 10-footer on its way, wala. De Leon swinging around on the right wing para sa Lubao. They have 10 on the shot clock. 3-point shot na naman, wala. High on the rebound. He will take 2 shots. Is that Gina? Yes. Oh, Gina is now in foul trouble. 4 fouls in the first half. He needs to be replaced. Let's see that again in slow-mo. This last bit of action. So pagka-box out. Oh, katawan. Oh, talagang huuli si Gina. Nako. Magpapahinga siya na matagal, Brad. 4 fouls in the first half. The free throw is no good. Offensive rebound there by Lubao. Ayaw pumasok. Put back. Niluwa. Lubao's put on premium rebounding, but they throw the ball away. Counter steal by Lubao. Edra. Fast break. The guy's very quick. Nice play. Lightning like quick. Itong si Delfino. 4-point edge. Rodriguez kapos sa kanyang 3-point attempt. Once again, Delfino engineering this fast break. Corner flip. Pasok yan. That's De Leon. And Arayat sues for time. Ang kanilang hinahabol ay lumulobo sa 6 na puntos. 28-22. 7:25 in a second. Six-point edge para sa Lubao. 28-22. We continue the second quarter action. You're still watching the Delta Cup. My name is Ryan Paro. Again, this is production of the Pampanga Information Office powered by Sinagliga Asia. You can like and share and subscribe to those social media platforms. PIO and Sinagliga Asia. Nakakuha na naman agaw si Delfino and he was fouled. This guy is lightning dark horse because of his very intense capabilities, and that's why Lubao is surging with a 6-point lead. Itong dalawang mama na ito, si Delfino at si Manalang, sila talaga nagdadala ng trangko sa Lubao. One thing that Lubao needs to improve is their free throw shooting. Medyo mababa pa free throw shooting percentage nila. Split by Delfino. 29-22. It's a 7-point edge for Lubao. 3-point shot from the left corner. Sobra. Rodriguez puts it in. It's down to 5 para sa Arayat. Delfino from top of the key. Double team. Oh, nice pass. Sobra nga lang. That could have been a good play. Pero meron nung nahuling referee na holding foul on someone. para sa Arayat. Alright, it's already a penalty situation. Di pa rin na-adjust yung score sheet. So, it's now penalty situation. Free throws no good. One more free throw para kay Pangan. Yes, pumasok. And 29-24 Lubao. Nakago. Teka lang. Nagkaroon lang konti problema sa shot clock pero tuloy ang ating laro. De Leon from the left corner. Nakapasok siya kanina ng 3-point shots first quarter. Pero may nababalik ang bola sa Lubao on that miscue by Arayat. 40 to shoot. De Leon lost it. Takbo na ngayon ng Arayat. Look at that gliding layup by Sampang. Four-point Lubao lead, 30-26. Approaching 6 minutes in the second quarter. 10 to shoot. Delfino, thought about it. Starter step, nabitawan ng bola. Ago dito ng Arayat, 1 against 2. Borja, sapal ni De Leon. So, bilhin ninyo ay ang Lubao wala pang team fouls but they are ahead by 4. Malalang inbounds. Bola from the base. At tayong foul given up by De Leon. That will be a foul using his forearm on that holding. Swinging around. 7 to shoot. Not much time with the shot clock for the White Shirts. They need to put it up. Ang layo. From 30 feet. Pare. Misses. Lubao on the run. Here's Delfino. Hang time. Beautiful drive. (32 to 26). The handoff. So stay with Arayat. The Leon checks out and the other Benalang, number 22, checks in. It's a 6-point edge. 14 to shoot. Here's Pare. Baseline. Kick out. May konting sundot. Fall away. Wala. Halfway point of the second. There's a tap. Madarating ang bola sa Lubao. There's the inbound. There's another foul given up by Arayat. That puts them on team foul number 1. I'm sorry, it's penalty na pala, rather. First free throw is good. Lead is now 7. Split. The lead is 7. 4:43 the first. Rodriguez, the finger roll, nice play. Five-point edge for Lubao. 50 to shoot. Manana extricates. De Leon, one-handed. Very talented talaga pa Lubao dito. The lead is back to 7 for Lubao, 35 to 28. Uy, buti na papasok on the other end. Gustong bilisan kagad ng pace. Itong Arayat. Look at that. Delfino taking over the second quarter. (37-28). The lead is 9 points. Pare comes up empty. 3-point shot. Wala pa rin. And the crew clears the board for LUBAO. Hang time move by Delfino. Oh! Woo! It is back after that shot. Referees will check out the condition of Delfino. So Delfino will take a rest a bit. Let's see that again. Very, very despicable hang time move. .324 remaining. The reverse. And LUBAO is now on the brink of increasing its lead even further. They have a 12-point advantage now. 3 and 10 remaining. Here's a 3-point shot. Medyo nagkakanya-kanya dito ang Arayat. Samantalang LUBAO, they keep pushing the ball up. Especially this guy, Manalang, who's been superb last time out. You know, he wants to draw the defense at the same time, put excitement to the eyes of LUBAO dahil ang kanyang mga teammates ay talaga pumuputok na sa laro. Approaching 2 minutes in this first quarter. It's already 2 minutes and 45 remaining in our basketball timepiece. Three team fouls now for Arayat. Three team fouls for LUBAO. Arayat already in penalty. Inside pass, reverse. Yun, finally. Marcelo. Tagal-tagal na rin hindi nakascore ng field goal ang Arayat, ha. They have 14 to shoot. Here's Manalang. Manalang again. Another 3! Tatlo na ang tres ni Manalang and he is in double figures. Two minutes remaining in the first half. Pare. 8 to shoot. Pare attacks. Nicely done. Plus a foul. That deserves a second look. Ito. Slice and dice and one. And Pare completes a 3-point opportunity. Still a 10-point game for LUBAO. Manalang, 4th 3-point shot. Umuusok first half pa lang. And that sealing up for Arayat. Ayaw nila lang mangyari na talagang tuloy-tuloy ito si Manalang. The lead is now 13. We have a timeout. Well, mga kaibigan, ito na naman tayo sa ating tinatawag na manalang stride. Hitting a lot of three-pointers. And that time, another unproductive thrust for Arayat. Sidestep move. Everybody's contributing immensely for LUBAO, and they're enjoying the moment. Pressure from the ball carrier. That leaves 20 seconds on the shot clock for Arayat. And they crossed 8-second line. They do. But only needing 12 to shoot. Marcelo. Ball slap away. 3-on-1 for LUBAO. And that's a bust-up home run. Biggest lead for LUBAO, 17 points. Samantala, meron tayong foul sa ilalim. Look at this. Press break. Ayun, meron tayong foul. 50 seconds remaining sa ating first half. And Arayat is on the 17-point hole. First free throw. Wala. Is that good? Wala, hindi pumasok. Alright, one more free throw. Yes. So, alright, 36-51. Forty-one ticks in the first half. Inside pass. Oh, nakalusot! Nicely done. Kalas on the other end of the floor. Quick retaliation. It is 5 for LUBAO. 2-second differential between the shot and the game. You can see that on the lower right-hand side of the screen. Manala hit 4 earlier. Siya naman ulit titira from 3-point shot. We expected that. This time a drop pass. Botch. 2 seconds to go. 3-point shot. Wala. 1 second to go, and that should do it. LUBAO 53. Arayat 38. Let's watch some of the first half highlights of this. Take a look. Okay, panoorin natin ating mga highlights sa first half. Pero siguro bibigyan natin yan mamaya-maya lamang. Halftime score natin, 53-38. Halftime highlights and the leading scores come up to this. This is Delta Cup. Okay, welcome back. Just a few minutes away, mag-uumpisa na po ating second half. Let's take a look at this first half highlights kung saan namayagpag ng lubusan ng LUBAO. We see some highlights mostly of Arayat in this first quarter. Pero yung second quarter assault ng LUBAO ay talaga namang nabubugpuntangi. We see last there with some baskets. Take a look at the leading scores for both squads. We'll flash that on your screens shortly. Yung mga top scorers on both teams. But again, the halftime score natin is 53 LUBAO and 38 for Arayat. We're about to start the second half in a few minutes. You're still watching Delta Cup. Stay with us. Okay, we're moments away to start this second half para sa ating Delta Cup. Of course, pati natin yung mga nanonood ngayon sa Facebook Live. Lina Borja, JJ Carmona, Neil Ronquillo, Levi Garcia, Alexis Guevara Magat, Dexter Ranyola, and Victor Caligia. This is the sound of the horn. It means we're just about to start our second half of action. LUBAO ahead by a big 15-point margin, 53-38. Tingnan natin ating mga starting fives for the second half for LUBAO. We have Lingat, we have Pangan, and we also have Delfino, who's been confirmed in the first half, and the other Manalang, and of course number 9 player. Para naman sa Arayat, we have Borja, number 4, number 8, number 5, and number 11 respectively for Arayat. Start of the second half action, 3-point shot once again. Wow! Wow! LUBAO continues to do some shooting spree when they have in the second quarter. No look pass inside the paint. Bottom, telegraph. Ito na naman si Delfino. Fast break opportunity for LUBAO. Inside pass. Hindi nakita ni Pangan. Salamat sa ating 552 viewers watching live here. Pampanga PIO and Sinagliga Asia. Of course, papasalamat tayo sa ating butihing governor ng Pampanga, Governor Dennis Delta Pineda, and of course, his team, Pampanga Lanterns. On the other league, they are in the national finals. So, kung sakali mag-champion po ang panlalawigang kupunan ng Pampanga, we can clearly say that they are a powerhouse regional basketball team since 1998. Ganon katagal. At itong grassroots program ni Governor Delta ay talaga namang magpapatuloy at magkakaroon ng new lease of life. And so far, this is now the biggest lead of LUBAO by 18 points. Delfino wants to break loose. Ito naman si Manalo. Ang ganda ng ball movement ng LUBAO. Oy, sayang nga lang yung tira. Takbo na kayo ng Arayat. The drop pass inside. That's a wide open 10-footer. 56-40. LUBAO. That's the second field goal by Santiago. Meron tayong illegal pick. Yes, kitang-kita ni crew chief natin, Anthony the Rookie Roque. Offensive foul on Pangal. That's his first personal. .8:24 left sa ating third kanto. Again, dito tayo live sa BREN GUIAO Convention Center, San Fernando, Pampanga. Bondok Sapal! A superb shot block. Not in my house, sabi ni Pangan. That deserves a second look, maybe. Alright, leading scores natin para sa Arayat. We have Pare with 5 points and 5 rebounds. Or 5 points rather. Marcelo has 5. For LUBAO, we have Manalang with 7 points. Delfino has 10. And even distributed as scoring. Arayat with the possession. Di nasalo, pero punta pa rin sa kanilang bola. The side step. Basket counts. That will be free throws now. Nakaka-create doon ng spashes Bondok. Take a good sweep is Lomo. Side step beauty by Bondok. Draws a foul and he will take the bonus shot. Pintis nga lang. 16-point edge. 2-on-3 break. Batted away. Oh, what a spin by Malala. What a spin. Woo! Malala brothers wreaking havoc again in this game. The lead is 18 points. And this is just the first game. Another foul drawn. There will be 2 free throws for the defendant party. At ang tawagan ay si number 9 ng LUBAO. Let's see that last play. Ay, ito na yung foul, no? So, the free throws. At pasok ang unang tira ni Borja. Two free throws made. And of course, ang ating production team ng Team Delta, of course, nandiyan ang ating technical director na si Jetro, ating mga camera guys, si Apeng, si Philip, si Israel, and of course sa ating mga slow-mo replay, nandiyan si Alexis, si Alex, si Luis, si Paulo, Renzi. Si Balong nga pala is on the other league. Wala siya dito ngayon, si Balong. So yan ang ating team. Of course, our overall in charge of productions dito sa ating Delta Cup, si Direk Aldi Alejo. Oh, sapal sana yun, pero huli sa kamay, sabi ni referee. And it's gonna be Pangan's second or third personal. We'll check that. And this is the supreme evidence of that last foul. Huli. Ayun, huli sa braso. No? Huli sa braso yung tira na yun. Okay, maraming salamat sa ating mga 679 viewers na nag-review na live dito sa Facebook. 44 Arayat, LUBAO 62. Nice finger roll play. Delfino has been spectacular all game long, ha? At meron tayong foul para kay Gonzalez. And substitutions on the floor for LUBAO. At penalty situation na kagad ng LUBAO. So this is the time that Arayat can exploit the team foul trouble ng LUBAO. Mintis ang unang free throw. Pero pa tayong isa. And a split. 64-46. Look at Delfino. Talaga changing direction defense. Delfino has been creative all game long, ha? Wow! He's really pumped up this morning. Tinipasa ni Delfino. Woo! Ganda ng pasa! He almost made that 3-point play. Uy! Teka. Ang ating isa sa mga referees natin mamaya sa mga upcoming games, pinagpapabati si referee Berts Isuga, one of the referees in that cup. Birthday niya ngayon, ha? Birthday ngayon ni referee Berts. Happy birthday. Mamaya may pakape ako sa'yo. 64-46. The lead is 18. So far, mga kabalen, LUBAO has lived to the expectation. They are one of the top teams in this tournament. And they have reigned supreme against Arayat in another tournament. Ganda na depensa ng LUBAO. Sticky defense. Six minutes remaining in the third quarter. Delfino. 5:50 left. Inside to the way. Oh, na-fake! Ay, sayang. Nabitaw niya bola. Wondok. Gusto makabawi. He gets it to go. Woo! If you have held that ball, kung hindi niya bitawan ng bola, pasok yan. $16-point lead now for LUBAO. 64-48. Approaching 5 minutes. Approaching the halfway point of this third quarter. Here's the drive. Delfino drops it up again. Delfino. This guy, a creator for LUBAO's Doghouse. One of the powerhouse teams dito sa Delta Cup. With this 66-48. They just matched the biggest lead for LUBAO, 18 points. 30 to shoot. Meron tayong foul away from the play. Hinawakan. Penalty situation na naman para sa LUBAO. At ang foul matatawagan ay si number 3. That's Montemayor's first personal. 66-48. Delfino once again. Ala Jason Castro, the blur. He is now the LUBAO blur, ha? Kaya pala number 17 ng jersey niya, ginagaya niya talaga sa Jason Castro, pero may galaw siya. Putback is good for Arayat. Last baskets from Rodriguez. It's an 18-point lead now. Picked by Sita. Bounce pass. Sita. Meron tayong push. Fourteen seconds shot clock para sa LUBAO. Inbound. Agawan. Pass break. Could have been a good pass. The shot won't work. Inside the paint. Gipit. Nilabas muli ng Arayat. Starter step. Ito naman si Delfino with an easy pass. And Manalang will score the basket. $70-50. The lead is 20. Later in the game, I'll interview the best player of the ball game para sa LUBAO. Should LUBAO wins it convincingly, that takes the cake. Maintain naman 3-point shot dito ang Arayat. Delfino against 3 defenders. He did not force the issue. It was a bounce pass. Baseline, Zita was whacked. Replay shows this inside attack to the back by Zita. Yun, sabit sa ulo. Free throw is no good. The lead is 20 for LUBAO. 21, biggest lead. Level up na nga talaga ang LUBAO from their slogan, and they're now up by 21. To shoot. Starter step, finger ball. Oh, nicely done. That's some bounce basket. Under 3 minutes remain in third quarter. 7 on the shot clock. And is that basket counted? Hindi. Sabi ni referee Anthony Roque. Slower replay shows. Let's see where the foul is. Oh, doon pa lang. Oh, tama, not counting. Saka pa lang tinira. So, no count nga yun. Both teams in penalty. And free throw is good. 2 free throws made by Lorico. Alright, back to live action tayo. Lead is 20 points for LUBAO. Arayat in a 20-point handicap. 10 to shoot, baseline. Meron tayong illegal pick. It's going to be offensive foul on number 13. You're still watching Delta Cup, live tayo sa PIO and Sinag Liga Asia Facebook pages. Like, share, and subscribe, both of them. Inside cut. Huli. They have only 6 seconds to work with. Yun na po, shot clock ng LUBAO. They need to put it up. Here you go. 3 seconds. Shot no good. Still on the far end. Corner 3 if it bites. Ayaw. Three points. One work. Sampang. Rare fast break finish. It does. Balik sa 19. Under 2 minutes to play, a minute and a half. Reverse layup over the backboard, lumabas. So tala unproductive play there para sa Arayat. Minute remaining. Here's the shot and a conversion. $50 to shoot now. Hingi sana ako kay Direk. Direk, may pakapit pa tayo dyan. Third quarter action. 75 to 54. 47 seconds. So far, LUBAO enjoying this in a pretty good stead. They make super bawi from their tough loss on All Porak last time out. Time down to 42 seconds to go. 75-55. Set number 1, sabi ng point guard ng Lubao. Pick and roll. Munting mabitawan. Nice handoff. Nice fake. Montemayor! What a move! Final 14 seconds of the third. Sampang. Steal, here it comes. 5 seconds. Exclamation point. What a third quarter by Lubao. Crediting account of themselves, all players of Lubao will be commended on this sterling 79-55 performance. We will now show you some highlights of the third quarter, and I'll tell you, Lubao team clearly on the rise. We'll be right back for the fourth quarter of this Delta Cup. Okay, welcome po sa ating fourth and final quarter. So far, Lubao is looking very good at this stage as they have a 21-point bubble. Or 24 pala, 34-point bubble. Meron tayong foul para sa Lubao. It's going to be free throws for the defendant party. Yan po, number 5 ang tinawagan ng foul. It will be only his second personal. Ito, bumabalik na si number 8. Kanina, siya na foul trouble sa Arayat. That's Gina. So he needs to be careful. One more foul from him. He's gone in this game. 9:33 left. Here's the shot. Nice drop pass. De La Cruz and Sinke are in sync of the fourth quarter. (81-55). The lob. Tumama sa edge ng board yung tira. A minute gone by in this fourth and final chapter. 9 to shoot. They make a clear out. De Leon attacks. Drops it up outside. Manala. 1 second to go on the shot clock. They need to put it up. Wala na. Shot clock violation para sa Lubao. .840 left in this fourth quarter. Baseline. Meron tayong foul sa ilalim. Well, I have two players to choose for the best player, but for this date, kapag katuloy-tuloy ang Lubao, I'll choose Delfino. Take a look at this last bit of action with slow-mo, and we see this Gina was fouled inside. Well, the reason why pinili ko si Delfino just in case Lubao ay manalo sa laro kasi siya po ang nagpatimon sa 20-4 assault ng Lubao the second quarter and they never look back. So he's really great point guard making. 81-55. The lead is 26. Time down to 8 minutes and 15 in the fourth quarter. De La Cruz inside the paint. Here's De Leon. No soak. Rebound. Nakuha ng Arayat. Nakuha muli. Hang time mo. Sapal. .804 remaining. 81-55. Here's the inbound for Lubao. Labas ang bola kay De Leon. De Leon moves on top of the GUIAO area. Ito na si Manalang. Well, sa some hump tricks, of course, he will now be a top key player for Lubao. Manalang shot clock at 5. Here's a 3-point shot on his way. Fails. Rebound. Nakuha ng Arayat. Fast break play. Napigilan. Nabulhabog at nakaagaw ang Lubao. Call a fast break. Manalang. Starter step. Drive side to the hole. Wala. Put back. Fajardo. Nobody picked that ball. That means the ball will go back to the baseline of Lubao for the inbound. At tatawag ang timeout ng Lubao. 83-55. They are comfortably ahead by 28 points. Seven and 23 left sa ating fourth and final quarter. So far, ang Lubao po ay on the verge of winning. Ay napakalaki ang margin ito, 28 points with 7:20 remaining. If this lead will be maintained on the 5-minute mark of this ball game, then we can safely say that's stick ang mamaya-maya labang. Samantala, De Leon from top of the key. He drives hard, drops it up to his teammate. Nice pump fake. Oh, what a move! Sayang na naman. Ito si De La Cruz. On a fast break for Arayat, and that's a basket. 83-57. The lead is 26 bars on the ball. Time remaining 6 minutes and 49 sa laro. De La Cruz. We see some highlights from him. Here's Fajardo on the box. Will not receive the pass. Instead, will offer a pick. Here's the drive. Here's the glass shot. This didn't work. A block shot. Ball goes over the board, out of bounds, and it will stay with Arayat. All right, we have another timeout. Take a look at some of the highlights. Let's enjoy this fourth quarter, shall we? We'll be right back. Six minutes and 28 seconds na laban. I know our technical director, Petrus, all smiles. He's looking at me while I'm taking a nap. 83-57. Lubao is on the verge of winning. Is that basket counted? Good call by the reps. No basket. May foul muna bago yan. 83 to 57 mga kaibigan. Okay, so ito na yung pagkakataon ko na batiin yung mga nanonood sa ating live stream at this juncture of the game dito sa ating Delta Cup. Let's see. Sabi ni Stephanie Lopez, go Arayat. Sabi ni Justin Galvan, na mekos. Ayos Luis Ivy Mercado. And sabi ni Lloyd at Marcelo had a shoutout sa coach ng Arayat. Ryan Paro. Kalos ka pangalan ko nanonood din ngayon. At salamat sa ating mga 552 viewers watching this live. 84-57. 6:16 remaining in the fourth quarter. LUBAO created another steal, no look pass. What a play by Manalang. $30 points is the lead of LUBAO, and with 5:56 remaining, I can now safely say that this game for LUBAO is in the refrigerator. The door is closed. It's a cooling. The ball is getting hard. Jealous jiggling. And it's another fast break finish that was barged for Hardo. Misses the layup. Baseline. Finger roll. Yun. Pumasok para sa Arayat. $87-59. Thank you for watching Gab Marcos Gomez. Sabi ni Christian Reyes, shout out kay Apong Rudy. Tama ka, labu o lamang na ang 30 points, sabi ni Luis Ivy Mercado. 2 team fouls for both Arayat and LUBAO respectively, and LUBAO keeping a good stead. They never wavered, never changed any tactic. They just continue to show sheer aggressiveness. I'm talking about LUBAO. 10 to shoot now for Arayat. Here's the shot. It doesn't work. Manalang clearly grabs the rebound. At takalo dito ang Arayat. Alley-oop play. No, put back, yes. $87-61. 1.5 minutes remaining. 4:24 left. De La Cruz, 3 ball, wala. In the meantime, Maritime dead ball situation. Four minutes and 10 to go. Very interesting comment by Ani Santos. Arayat lang, sakalam. $4:10 remaining in this fourth quarter. Arayat will go back to the ball once. What will be the next plays as we see a successful jump shot made by Arayat, courtesy of Carlos. 87-63. The lead is 24. High time ball block. Turnaround still rejected. Reverse. No sock by Zita. Fourth effort. Still in vain. Zita fifth rebound. Triple shot. Where? Wala. Rebound. Finally Arayat. No success on that attempt. We have a whistle. 87-63 is our tally. I really love those comments here on the social media. 63-87, and looks like Arayat will have a hard time completing this uprising 23-point lead with only 3 minutes remaining. Little bit basketball for LUBAO. Montemayor with 7 to shoot. Here's the hang time move. Lorico clears it once again. This time rejected. And there's a whistle. Inbound by the Blue Shirts. 2:40 remaining. Shot clock is off. Tuloy sabi ni referee Anthony Roque, and a basket there by Arayat. (87-66). LUBAO is on the verge of victory. Sapa ni Rodriguez. Montemayor, Lorico for 3. Bang! Swift retaliation there para sa Arayat, but it will be not enough for them. They are on a 22-point hole. Alright, we're down to the last 2 minutes. Last 2 minutes of the game, brought to you by Wilson, the official ball. Or rather, Multi, the official ball of Delta Cup. Corner 3. Oh, it's putting neck and rim now. Nagtatalo na natin dito ang final score. Other steal for LUBAO. And that's it. Well, LUBAO will just chew up the clock. Get his first W for Delta Cup for them. 3 ball. Di ba tapos si Lorico? And so far, the Filipino set the tone in the second quarter. Lorico will score for a foul. So, mamaya, kakaroon tayo ng interview natin best player honors. Canlas makes the first. (93-69). Approaching 1 minute in this ball game. Nagkaroon tayo ng problema. Ano ba ito? Parang napagay shot clock ah. So sabi ni referee okay, pariset niya yung shot clock. Parang napaaga yung bilang, ano? So meron pa tayong ilang segundo. Okay, meron pa tayong 13 seconds sa shot clock. Ayan. Ten seconds sa shot clock. O pa rin ang lubang bola. Gonzalez 3 ball. Wala. Inside out. Ayaw pa rin. Final 30 seconds of this first quarter. The bounce pass. There's a steal, and that's it. LUBAO finally latches their first win dito sa Delta Cup. Final score 93-69. In just a moment, I'll interview our best player of the ball game. Abangan niyo po yan. Final score 69 points for Arayat and 93 points for the team that is now level up for the team standings with 1 win and 1 loss, LUBAO. Stay tuned for the best player of the ball game honors.
Sound check, sound check. Matapos ang masakit na talo last time out, finally, bawing-bawi ang Lubao. 93-69. Of course, ang ating best player natin si CJ Delvino. CJ, you set the tone no second quarter. Marami kang mga assist. Pinadali mo yung shooting ni Malalang. Anong nangyari matapos ang masakit na talagang bawing-bawi ngayon ng Lubao?
Bumawi lang kami sa training namin. Nakalipat na araw. Ginawa lang namin, pinapagawa namin mga course namin.
DJ, alam ko marami pa kayong kailangan gawing improvement lalo-lalo na sa rebounding, creating turnovers. Pero anong nakita mong improvement in this game as compared from the last game?
Nakita ko ngayon sa team namin na bumabaksak na yung mga bigs namin. Mga bigs namin. Dumidepensa na sila na maayos. Yung una kasi laro, hindi pa kami nagkakalam ng mga laro natin.
Okay, CJ, dahil ikaw ang ating best player of the ball game, ay may pagkakataon ko bang magpasalamat o bumati? Go ahead.
Unang-una po, nagpapasalamat po sa Lubao po, sa mga community. Tsaka nagpapasalamat din po sa mga coaches namin na wala sa sumusuporta sa akin. Binabati ko lang rin po yung pamilya ko po, yung asawa ko.
Salamat kay congratulations. CJ Delfino, our best player of the ball game for this game. Coming up next, we have Candaba versus Florida Blanca when Delta Cup continues after this.